Visual, dark, minimalist architecture, slow cinematic zoom. The world changed in 1971, and with it, the very nature of how to automate your personal finance system. If you're still playing by the old rules, you've already lost. Visual, high-contrast financial data, deep blue and bold accents. To understand how to automate your personal finance system, we must first zoom out. We are currently navigating a macro environment defined by unprecedented debt cycles and the rapid digitization of value. Traditional wisdom suggests diversification. We suggest structural leverage. The how to automate your personal finance system phenomenon isn't happening in a vacuum, it's a direct result of the shifting velocity of global capital. At CapitalMind, we don't look at the noise. We look at the gears. Visual, macro shot of luxury watch movement, intricate gears. Our analysis of how to automate your personal finance system reveals 3 non-negotiable pillars of intelligence. Pillar 1, systemic asymmetry. You aren't looking for linear returns, you're looking for asymmetric upside where the risk is capped by the system itself. Pillar 2, capital velocity. Wealth isn't stagnant. It's movement. How to automate your personal finance system must be viewed as a flow, not a pool. Pillar 3, the automation delta. Precision is the difference between a gambler and an architect. Using tools like Webull gives you the granular control required for this level of execution. By aligning these 3 gears, how to automate your personal finance system transitions from a mystery to a predictable outcome. Visual, panning shot of a modern, organized workspace. Here is your actionable blueprint for mastering how to automate your personal finance system. Step 1, audit. Identify every point of friction in your current financial stack. Eliminate the legacy thinking that keeps you reactive. Step 2, engineer. Build your portfolio not as a collection of assets, but as a machine. Step 3, scalability. Once the machine works at a small scale, the math of compound interest does the rest. If you start today, you aren't just investing, you're building a fortress of silent wealth. Visual, grainy black and white historical footage, fade to gold logo. Wealth is not an event. It is a process. How to automate your personal finance system is simply one variable in the equation of your independence. We have provided the links in the description for the tools we use to maintain our own systems. Webull for execution, M1 Finance for architecture, and Monarch Money for visibility. Subscribe to CapitalMind for more premium intelligence. The rules have changed. It's time you changed with them.